The thing is, just near the tornado, you have really strong winds as well, even just south of the tornado. So you may think that you're near the tornado, you're just getting hit by gusty winds, and it could be too strong, blow you off the road.
Not something you want to test.
Not at all.
What's going on with us today?
Well, thankfully here the tornado threat is low, but we are watching the chance for some thunderstorms later on this afternoon and this evening. Here's what you can expect as you go through the day. You're looking at the Exco Eagle Eye in downtown Waco. If you're waking up, it is a humid start outside. We got temperatures in the mid-70s, those dew points in the upper 60s, so it feels like tropical South Texas has rolled on in. That's going to eventually turn into a few afternoon showers. We'll get highs in the upper 80s, and then tonight we're watching for thunderstorms, and some of them could be severe, especially west of I-35. This morning, though, radar is fairly quiet. We do have a wind advisory in effect down into the Brazos Valley, and not everyone under that, but everyone's going to see those 15 to 25 mile per hour winds later on today. Some pretty good thunderstorms rolling over towards parts of northwest Texas, west of Dallas, Fort Worth, Mineral Wells. Tornado watch in effect actually all the way down the Abilene area. All they're seeing now that is gusty winds though. But notice how there's a boundary working out of them, kind of driving to the south. That's where we'll watch this afternoon and evening to see if showers and thunderstorms can blow up on that boundary. And if they do, could organize into a complex that could work into our area later on overnight, bringing some pretty good rain chances and maybe some gusty winds, pretty loud thunderstorms rolling in. More on that in a second. Here's the winds you're seeing right now, though, out of the south at about 15 to 25 miles per hour. That'll keep the warm air around for the first part of the day. We'll call it mid-70s by 10 o'clock, low 80s by noon, and then later on this afternoon and especially in this evening, that's when those storm chances ramp up as we climb up into the upper 80s. Some areas may reach 90 degrees today. 87 Waco, 88 Temple, 87 Killeen, may near 90 in our southeastern counties, and overnight we're down into the mid-60s. Here's the area that's under the gun for severe weather this afternoon and evening. Going to be mainly west of I-35. That's where we put a slight risk in place there towards Goldthwaite, San Saba, Lampasas, and Gatesville. The biggest threat is going to be some $quarter to $half size hail and some gusty winds. Can never rule out a tornado, but it is on the low side of things. And a flash flooding threat, going to be mainly some creeks, streams, and streets with the heavy rain that could come down quickly. Future Track shows you most of the day is quiet. It's the potential for showers in the afternoon, and then after sunset, some thunderstorms blowing up out west. And again, it depends exactly where they blow up. If they blow up further out to the west, they'll be weaker as they roll into central Texas. They blow up in our western counties. That's where we could have that brief severe weather threat. Then we get in the overnight hours, and it could turn into quite a bit of rain for the I-35 corridor if things set up right. The good news is that kind of weakens a bit as we head towards that lunchtime or that rush hour. Then we keep the rain chances around going into Thursday as well. We'll dwindle the rain chances just in time for the weekend, though. 10-day forecast looks like this: 87 Wednesday, 75 on Thursday, 76 on Thursday. Rain chances kind of holding on through the weekend. We're warmer next week, though, upper 80s on the way, and keeping more rain chances around.
All right, Josh, thank you.